go ahead and knock this other video out. So pretty much answering this question of this person that emails asked me like, why is no contact forever? Because one, if you break no contact and go back to this person, you pretty much operating on their terms. You know, you giving them what they want, your attention, your time, your energy, and stuff like that. You losing. You want people to do what you say. You don't want to operate on what other people say. No, that's a no-no. Another reason why no contact is forever is because if you break no contact and go back to them, you're gonna have to agree with everything they say. You become their slave. They're like, go outside right now, wash my car in the rain. But you so desperate to have this person back in your life, you'll go out there in that rain and wash their car in the rain. So I don't advise you to do that shit. That's why I say if they leave out your life, or you cut that person off and you move on with your life, stay gone. That person dead to you. When the last time you talked to a dead person? I'll wait. Yeah, you just get on the phone. Hey, dead person, how the other side over there? I'm talking about some more paranormal activity type stuff. When the last time you seen that? That's right, they dead. They gone. That means no holidays, no birthdays, no emergencies, no nothing. Nothing. You do not reach out to this person whatsoever. Not at all. Because the thing is, what they want overall is control. And these people gonna tell you all these little monkey ass strategies and stuff like that to do, which gonna keep you hurt and keep you in that cycle, that loop, to keep coming back and buying their product. That's a no-no. By the time you finish buying that product, man, they be a millionaire, and you still ain't got the person in question. Trust me, I'm speaking from experience. I bought that stuff. You know, I bought it and I was like, man, why in the hell? I told you, go watch some of my previous videos. I did that stuff. 30 days went up. I went back to the person in question, and that person cursed me out. Cursed me out like, okay, if I wanted to talk to you, I got your phone number. You not missing. You not in the ditch laying flat down dead nowhere. I know where to find you if I want you. That shit break my heart. it broke me. I was like, oh damn, you know, cause the little dude, the nerd, said, hey man, if you do this in so many days, just reach out to the person and just talk about all the fun times and all that stuff. But in reality, some people like, I don't want to talk about shit with you. I want to go out here and experiment. I want to go out here and be a hoe. I know where you is. If I need you to be a safety net, aka human tampon, I know where to find you. And you just show me that you still have hope. And since you still have hope, you can just let me know. I can go out there and play the field and bring my monkey ass right back to you, and you accept me with other people's DNA all up in my stomach. You just told me that. But thank God I went through that so I can know better. So I can sit here in this house and say, don't do that shit. Don't do it. It's not worth it. The best thing you can do is to better yourself and improve yourself, and let that version of you, whatever that shit is that you're going through right there, let that version of you die out. Let it go. Because it's going to do nothing but keep you hurt and in pain and misery and in suffering. And the more you're in pain and misery and suffering, you waste the most precious jewel that you have. Time. You can't get that back. And on while you suffering and crying and all that stuff, that person in question over there is sucking the DNA out of somebody's body. I know this YouTube, so I'm trying to be not so graphic. But if you don't like me saying DNA, cut the damn video off. Cut it off. But at the same time, I'm not going to tell you no lie. Most of these people I talk to, they want to hurt themselves for some off-brand ass person. Man, you hurt yourself. And you kill yourself and take yourself out this world for some off-brand ass person who don't give a damn about you and have low interest in you. 1, they not coming to your funeral. 2, they probably never shed a tear about you. 3, they gonna climb up back on whoever they know, whoever they with. That's the reality of it. But when they go in public, they gonna play like, oh man, I don't understand why that person would kill themselves or hurt themselves like that. Oh, that's Tyrone. Let me call them back. Or that Shanae, let me call that Pookie. Okay, let me call. Yeah, we still on for the night. That's how it's gonna go. No contact is forever. You don't reach out for these people for absolutely nothing. Now, to the people who have kids and you have to communicate with your kids, mom or father, mother or father and stuff like that. Gray rock only. Dry, bland communication. There's no, so who you talking to nowadays? Ain't none of that. Oh, you looking good nowadays? None of that. You know, can you come by the house and fix my car and you can look at the dryer while you over here too? None of that. You're not no maintenance man. You're not no goddamn cook. You not nothing. That person is dead to you. Remember what I said? When the last time you talked to a dead person? I'll wait. Yeah, that's right. Never. So I can talk about this for 80 more years, you know, but I'm not, you know, because I got things to do. I'm gonna just drop these videos and I'm gonna be out. I'm not on social media trying to win no goddamn popularity contest. I'm not dressing up in no goddamn suit for the people that ask me why I don't dress up. I'm in my house. I'm what I look like dressing up in my damn house just to make a video. Nah, you see me in a Miami hoodie and my cap backwards and all that stuff. I'm not dressing up. I wake up looking like this. So with that being said, you can shoot me an email. You can shoot me with an email. Shoot an email to me or text me on WhatsApp worldwide. No matter where you is on this planet Earth. If you have WhatsApp, you can text me and I'll always be here for you. Also, you can get a copy of my book, Position of Power. It go into details on how not to be no sucker. Don't be no sucker for nobody and don't let nobody use you. And like my grandma said, you don't kiss nobody's ass. That's what you don't do. If they don't want to be in your be on your program, your movie, get the step and you only got one life. So you can shoot me an email, you know, text me. Don't forget to get your copy of Position of Power. Is on. You can get the audio book version or the Kindle version or just get the physical book. So with that being said, I always will be here for you. No matter if I'm here in the physical or in the book format, I'll be here for you whenever you need me. Peace.